In today's video, I share with you the art of making none other than the authentic and legendary Mauritian Biryani, right in the comfort of your home. Prepare yourself for a flavorful adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. Each spice brings its own character to this masterpiece. Cloves add warmth, cinnamon brings depth, cardamom offers a touch of royalty, and bay leaves and the rest whispers of the forest secrets. Our first chapter of this day starts with the selection and preparation of the ingredients. Wash the rice as though you're cleansing them of their worries. Let it soak and swell with anticipation for the feast ahead. The centerpiece of our masterpiece is our 2 rounds of marinate massage, a world-class guide. We start with a calming spice massage of the ginger, garlic, cumin seeds, salt and pepper. While you're making yourself comfortable, give this video a like, a click on the subscribe button. There, you just shared kindness in your heart. Meanwhile, in a pot, the alchemy of caramelizing the onions is about to take place. The onions sizzle and soften, turning into sweet caramel-colored strands that add depth and richness to this mastery. Next up, it's time for the potatoes and marinated chicken to waltz, one after the other, not together, not yet. The ginger and garlic paste bring their own character when given a sizzling fry in the hot oil. Before we luxuriate the rice in an aromatic bath, yogurt and spice massage. With tender care, massage each chicken piece and potatoes with a blend of yogurt, sizzled ginger and garlic paste, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, cumin, pepper, and garam masala. Allow the chicken to absorb the flavors like a canvas taking in the hues of a master painter. When the eggs heard about the rice going for an aromatic bath, they decided to go for a bubble bath. The union is about to begin. Layer by layer, we begin to weave the biryani to its masterpiece, spreading caramelized onions, chili, mint, and coriander leaf, and a blanket of rice over the bed of chicken, letting them nestle together as if reuniting after a long separation. A final sprinkle of fried onions like stardust completes the scene. Saffron-infused water, like liquid gold, adorns the rice, painting a picture of royalty. The lid of the pot sealed the fate of the ingredients. The aroma was a siren's call that beckoned all gothic in the face. Enjoy! I'll catch up with you next week.